I think when you look at it now, the role that he has is somebody who can play, not necessarily somebody who does play. And for a can play, would you go out in January to find somebody who can play, or would you hope that maybe Cole Palmer would be able to step up and essentially be able to be that extra body in there at that time? Because Ferran Torres at the moment, for City, in my opinion, isn't a go-to starter. And I think if everybody was available, he might not be second choice in most positions.
Yeah, I disagree. I think it's an absolute no-brainer
To bring
to
someone
go.
in.
Yeah, no question.